Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 hidden Facebook secrets that most users don't know about. These features help you view old stories, search history, watched videos, comments, and relationship details. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Secret 1, view all your old Facebook stories. Step 1, open Google Chrome. Step 2, search for facebook.com and log in. Step 3, go to your profile. Step 4, tap the 3-dot menu and select Story Archive. Here, you can see all your old Facebook stories, even the ones you forgot. Secret 2, see and delete your Facebook search history. Step 1, tap the 3-dot menu on your profile. Step 2, click on Activity Log. Step 3, press on Search History. You can see all your past searches with dates and also delete them anytime. Secret 3, view all videos you have watched. Step 1, go to Activity Log. Step 2, tap on Videos you've watched. Now you can see all old videos you previously watched on Facebook. Secret 4, see your old comments and liked pages. Go to Activity Log then. Tap Comments to see all your old comments. Tap Pages, Page Likes, and Interactions to see which pages you liked or interacted with in the past. This shows your full Facebook activity history. Secret 5, check relationship information if public. Go to Activity Log and tap on Relationships. If someone has made their relationship information public, you can see past relationship details available on their profile. This only works for publicly shared information. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and professional tech guides. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.